Welcome. Today in front of me Motorola Moto G50, and I'll show you how to take screenshots without buttons on this device. So first you should go to the Settings app and scroll down with your finger to the System section. Now just go here to the Gestures, and here, as can you see, we got the 3-finger screenshot section. Go there and just take a screenshot with your 3 fingers. Just tap here on the switcher to turn on this function, and now as can you see, you can just touch and hold with your 3 fingers, for example your screen, and as can you see, we take a screenshot right now. Also we can edit the screenshot, the share or delete the screen, and now I think you can find your screen here in the Photos app. Just go here to the library, and here you'll see the folder with your previously taken screenshot. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.